All right, boys. Answering questions from the Instagram. This is a good question. Doesn't have to really do much with cars and mechanic stuff, but you guys need help with girls. Okay, you guys are out here living a chump life, and I'm here to fucking fix it. Because you guys are out there fucking putting girls on a pedestal. You guys are like never getting any respect from women. You guys aren't getting the woman you want. Like, what the fuck? So I'm here to fix it. So the question is, where are some good places to meet high quality women? It's a good question. If you guys didn't know, I have a course on how to navigate your career as a mechanic. Link in the description below. Gives you everything you need for everything, okay? From trade school to getting a job, to getting a raise, to becoming fucking respected in your field, to having a fucking option of opening up your own shop at the end. Go get it because I give you guys a blueprint of how to do it. Good place to meet quality women. Well, number one, first and foremost, in the game of life, in the game of the game, you have to be a quality man for you to attract quality women. You know how many fucking guys I see, they're like, oh, I only date 10s, and these motherfuckers are 3s? They're like overweight, they don't have any money, they don't know how to talk to girls, they don't know how to dress, they don't work out, they don't have anything going on, they don't even know how to fucking have sex properly. Like, what the fuck? You want quality women, you want a 10, and you're a fucking 3? You haven't worked on yourself forever? Like, first off, guys, look internally at yourself, okay? Be honest. Evaluate yourself and be fucking honest. There's guys out there that are fat pieces of shit, talking shit to me, telling me that I'm not a fucking G, when these guys are overweight, fucking not doing shit with their life. Get it together, okay? Get your shit together first, and then you can meet high quality women. Number one, good at the gym. Go work, like, fucking dress properly. Groom, okay? Learn how to fucking get your stroke right. You know what I'm saying? First off, become a quality man if you want a quality woman. Second thing is that if you have to define what a quality woman is to you. Once you know, like, you're the fucking shit, you're a G, you're top 1% male, like your boy is. Let's be real, boys. I'm 30 years old, fucking rich, young, fucking good looking. I work out, I take care of my shit. I know how to talk to girls. I know how to show them a good time. I'm well traveled. I'm well cultured. I'm smart. Fuck, dude, I got everything. You guys gotta get on my fucking level. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do here. Trying to get you guys to my level so you guys can fucking come and party with me. Okay, I ain't fucking over here trying to get some guys that I ain't shit, that I'm like, oh yeah, this is my crew. They don't even know how to fucking fight. I'm over here in Cuba getting fucking arrested in military compounds, eating a penny fucking sandwich, and then I got fucking guys with me that don't even know how to fucking fight? No, fuck that. If you guys are gonna roll with me, you guys better know how to do your shit. Anyways, if you guys want quality women, you have to figure out what quality means to you. Okay, once you become a quality man, figure out what a quality woman is. So you start making some criteria for what you want a quality woman to be and what you want in a woman, right? And that's gonna take some time. You're gonna have to figure out, well, I want a girl that's articulate. I want a girl that's smart. I want a girl that's sweet. I want a girl that's this. I want a girl that's that. Once you figure out what a quality woman is to you, you start figuring out where these women hang out, right? If you say, well, I want a girl that's articulate, that means that she knows how to speak properly, she knows how to have a conversation, she knows how to do public speaking. I'm like, okay, well, where can I find an articulate woman? Well, there's clubs like Toastmasters and networking events that these women should be at because they're smart and they're probably very successful and they're probably working on themselves. So let me go to these places where these girls would be at. And then you meet these girls there, right? So when I started Toastmasters, I met my ex-girlfriend there because she was the president of the fucking Toastmasters group. Fucking smart ass girl, okay? She fucking had her own business, beautiful, knew how to speak properly, and like she was very charismatic. We would go to events and then everybody loved her. Like, I would take her with me and she would just like, I would just be like, go. She would make me look good. She would make me look good, right? That's the type of shit I like. But if you guys are like, well, a quality woman to me is one that works out, go to the fucking gym. Go to CrossFit gym, okay? Go find a girl that works out. If you're like, well, I want a girl that's into nature and loves fucking trees and all that bullshit, go fucking hiking and find some girls that love hiking. At the end of the day, guys, you figure out what quality is to you, and then you work back from that. You're like, okay, this is what I want. Where would these girls hang out? Where would I meet these girls? Obviously, a girl that's into business and smart and articulate and very charming and charismatic isn't gonna be fucking hanging out at a fucking biker bar, unless she's fucking crazy. I mean, I met some crazy ass girls that are fucking incredible, but they're fucking nuts and they love hanging out at biker bars. I mean, I'm over here with you know, with the Venice Beach Crips at the fucking biker bar, and then I see a girl, fucking blonde, fucking tiny little girl that loves fucking hanging out at biker bars, and I'm all like, all right, fuck it, let's do it. But that's neither here nor there. Let's talk about what we're gonna talk about. But you know what I'm saying? Find what quality is to you, and then you work backwards, and you figure out where these girls hang out, and you go there, and you find them, and you go fucking talk to them. But first and foremost, you have to be a quality man before you get a quality woman. A lot of guys out there think that, oh, just because you're a man, you get everything you want. That's not fucking true. You look inside yourself first, you figure out what you need to do to attract quality women, and then quality woman is just gonna show up for you. And that's how it is. I have girls that just show up, and I'm like, fuck, top quality woman. Because I'm a top quality man, and I put myself out there. And I like to talk to girls too, so I just give out that vibe. Right? So high quality women are always finding me because I'm just a high quality man. Objectively, on fucking paper, your boy's fucking top 1%. Let's fucking be real. Top 1 fucking percent. All I need is a fucking Lambo and I'm fucking done. Next summer, Lambo's coming, boys. So you guys already fucking know. 1% is what we're going after. Okay? I want to be the 1% of the 1%. That's how fucking crazy I want to get. I want to be the richest of the rich. I want to be the best looking of the best looking. I want to be the fucking G'est of the G's. You know what I'm saying? And that's where I want for you guys too. Pick up my course in the link in the description below. Follow my Instagram, all that good shit. Take care, boys. It's running here.
Okay.
Clear? Beautiful. They're a little round. And then move the little square.
Toe time!
Let me see if I can go ahead, do it again. Just fuck around, move around.
It's toe time! Yeah, guys. Today I'm talking about this racket. Yeah, see this guy?
Think that. Again. Just fuck around, move around.
It's toe time! Toe time!
Yep.